Good morning from Cape Town. So we made it to Stavanger. Today I'm walking around Berlin. Decided to go to Rio for the weekend. I'm here in Prague, here in Croatia, here in Brussels. Today I'm in Zambia. Today I'm in Belgrade. Today I'm in Budapest, Hungary. Today I'm in Botswana. Today I am in Ecuador. We made it to Panama. We made it to Huacachina. We made it to Bratislava. We made it to Luxembourg. We're in Brazil. We are in Rouge. I'm in Bolivia, Morocco, Montevideo, Uruguay, San Miguel, Canada, Vienna in Belgium. We're in the town of Dino, Lisbon, Cusco, Paraguay, Montreal, Sarajevo, Iguazu Falls, Nairobi, Kenya, Toronto, and Medellin, Colombia. Hi. It has been a minute. Thanks for your patience. I'm here. I'm alive. I'm back. So starting today, Sunday, November 3rd, I am going to be uploading every Sunday. I'm gonna wrap up my Africa series. I have a few more videos coming from Africa, including my safari through Chobe National Park in Botswana and swimming in Victoria Falls in Zambia. And then starting December 2nd, Vlogmas, which will run through Christmas. And I am so excited. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I'm actually going on a trip for Christmas this year with my family, so that'll be really fun to vlog. So get ready for that. And then following Vlogmas, I will catch you guys up on all my South American adventures and throw in a few other videos as well. So thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you all, and I will see you next Sunday.